In today's video, I'm going to show you how to set up OpenClaw with a simple click. It's called MyClaw, and inside we'll hook it up to Telegram and we'll make it generate images. Literally, we'll be talking to AI from Telegram to do stuff 24/7. So let's get into it. So first of all, what the heck is OpenClaw? Well, it's an open source AI assistant. Basically, talks to it from anywhere. Slack, Telegram, wherever. It actually does stuff, send emails, browse the web, run tasks on a schedule. Does this 24/7 and remembers everything. Your name, who you are, what you do, what you've talked about. Now, the catch with setting up OpenClaw yourself is the infrastructure. You have to actually set it up using some terminal. This can take ages, especially if you're not experienced at developing, and then you have to maintain this server as well, so it's not as good as it sounds. The solution to all of this is MyClaw. With MyClaw, it's instant setup. It's literally like 3 clicks. You can bring your own API key, so you can use your own credits if you want, your own allowances, and there's zero maintenance. They automatically update all the servers for you. What can it do specifically? It can use the browser. It can use skills to do things, generate images, browse the web, send emails, whatever it is, and cron jobs. This is running stuff on a schedule. And it knows you, so it has this persistent memory. It knows who you are, what to talk about, your YouTube channel, your SaaS, your business, whatever it is. And you can even give it a name so you can talk to it. And you can just talk back and forth like a normal person inside of, say, Telegram or Discord, Slack, WhatsApp, Signal, and others. So that's what it is. Let me show you how to set it up and actually use this. So if you head on over here to myclaw.ai, link will be in the description below, and all you have to do is click Create MyClaw. Now here you can set up a plan, whether that's Lite, Pro or Max. I recommend going for Pro, and you can do it either monthly or yearly. And now you want to set up your claw, so give it a name. For me, I'll just call mine LookBot, and then you can give it a description so that it can start to figure out what the heck is it supposed to do. Click on Next, and now you have the chance to select which model you want as the base model. Now don't worry, you can change this for each conversation once you're in. For the providers, you can have either MyClaw API or your own API key. If you use your own API key, you need to go get it. MyClaw API is all handled in here for you. Not to mention, Claude is 10% off, so it's cheaper than the official pricing, which is the same price everywhere, so you can get it the cheapest inside of MyClaw. For the providers here, if you want more to get more with your money, basically, use Minimax. Again, they're still 10% off compared to official pricing, and 2.7 is their brand new model, if you want to check that one out. You can have a one-time or an automatic top-up, depending on your needs. I didn't mean that there. And then you can just click Create Claw and it'll go away. And now it's going to go and actually set up this OpenClaw for you. And it'll tell you exactly how long it's going to take. It can take somewhere between 1 and 5 minutes. And then you'll be ready to go. So go grab a cup of tea and come back. Right, and just send a message. Hi. And there we go. So we can see that it is actually working. Hey, I just came online. Looks like this is a fresh workspace. No memories, no identity, nothing. So who am I? Who are you? Let's figure this out together. Basically now you have the opportunity to say something like, hi, I'm Luke, and you're going to be called LookBot. So refer to yourself as bot. And then you can give it a personality or something if you want as well. So you can say something like, I prefer a no BS, no fluff approach. So that's the personality you must adopt. Also be contrarian. Now we're going to set up essentially the personality of this OpenClaw agent that we're going to interact with. We can see it's already using tools here, so you can see the tools that it's using. Oops, there we go. Boom, identity done. So it's like an agent straight out of the box, ready to go. So answer some more questions and then we'll check out usage. So we are in GMT. Let's set up Telegram and nothing's off limits. Regards to who I am, I'm an AI YouTuber with 50,000 subscribers called AI Look. I have a school community where I teach people how to build stuff with Claude Code, and I have a SaaS called Scripty, SCRIPTI. And so this is so you can then set up proper personalised responses. And so now we'll set up Telegram. Here we so there's a couple of ways. First of all, it's told us here what to do, so we'll go and do that. But first, if I show you in channels, we can set up a bunch. So you can set up WhatsApp, Telegram, Discord, Google Chat, Slack, Signal, even iMessage. You can either come in here and sort them out, or literally just in OpenClaw, just tell it what you want to do. And as I was saying with usage, it's so simple. You can just come here to usage and you can see how much your OpenClaw is used. But sometimes this is a bit complex. So if you go to the MyClaw menu here, click on usage, you can see the actual cost for your MyClaw plan. Oh, and a quick side note too is that we can actually connect directly in a much easier fashion through MyClaw directly instead of going to the channels. Just simpler way to do it. So anyway, head back on over here, let's go to chat and let's set up Telegram. Now Telegram I often use like this just in the browser. I think it's a nice easy way to do it. So all we have to do is go to bot father, so search for bot father, and then you just need to send new bot. So what we're going to be called, and we'll just use this same kind of one here. Now let's use a username, so we'll just give the same one. There we go, boom. So we now have this API key / token. So we can just copy this, bring it back over, send that in. And of course, whilst you're in here, if you want to shut down the MyClaw and just be inside of your OpenClaw, just click that up here, and boom, you're just straight in. Cool, so there we go. Telegram is live, let's go and send it a message. Right, so all we have to do now is go to here, and it'll open a message, click start, and we can just copy in these. So let's copy in this pairing code, bring that over. Now a little tip as well for newbies here, if it's something you know how to do, so you can come over here to channels for example, and you could actually set up Telegram on your own, then I would advise doing that, because otherwise you're just going to burn through tokens for no good reason on here. But I'm just showing you this to show you the power of, like, you literally don't have to do anything. If you really wanted to, and especially if you're running, you know, models with cheap API endpoints, etc., you can just ask it to do literally anything and it will do it all for you. Cool, and there we go. So, all set. We are now live on Telegram. Nice. So, if we come over here now, you can just say something like hi. And this will go straight on over to LookBot. And LookBot will then give us a response. Hey, look, Telegram's working. What do you need? And so the cool thing already here is it already knows your name. So, you can see it's already set up. We can ask something simple like, what's the name of my SaaS product again? And how many subscribers do I have on YouTube? And we'll see here that LookBot is typing away, replying back to me over here. There we go, scripted AI, 50k on YouTube, there we go, boom. And so now we have the core experience set up. We have the ability to talk to OpenClaw like an AI agent 24/7 from Telegram. Like, this is the core feature here. Now you can change stuff here, whether that's through Telegram or through message, to influence its personality. So you can ask it to be more friendly, you can give it some more context as to who you are. So for example, inside of Telegram here, let me go over and say, it's not AI look, it's AI look, L-U-K-E. And check out my YouTube channel, it's youtube.com/@AI-look. One of the downfalls of having a name that's also a word. Right, boom. So now it says here, corrected AI look, not AI look. Now, we have this in Telegram, so let me just, for proof of concept over here, we'll say, what's my YouTube channel name? And let's see, scroll down, boom, there you go, AI look. And you can see this exact same conversation is reflected over here inside of Telegram. Now we have Telegram set up, we have the core functionality. Let me show you something to extend the functionality without you having to do much at all. So we have over here on the left hand side skills. So skills here are essentially like instruction sets that your OpenClaw can use. But if we try and click them in here, it doesn't really work, and it's a bit hard to like figure out what's going on in setting up. But no worries, MyClaw have their own skills section, which is so much easier to use. So we have here Skills Hub, and we have a bunch of skills. For example, Nano Banana Pro. Now, this skill here will generate and edit images using Gemini 3 Pro, so Google Nano Banana Pro. And in here, basically what happens with this skill is you simply tell OpenClaw, you know, make me an infographic like this. And it will go then and know to use Nano Banana Pro for that image. And all you have to do is click install, click install skill, and then it will just go send this into our assistant directly, and we just have to configure the API key. Now, quick note, to get this API key, you can simply just go to aistudio.google, and on the bottom left, we'll go to get API key. From here, simply create one or copy one if you made one. Create an API key, you can give it a name, choose a project, click create, and that is literally you done. So we'll just copy one, for example, from here, head on over, and this will now set up Nano Banana Pro, and we can try it here in the chat. So on Telegram now, what we'll say is something like, make me an infographic about OpenClaw, please. So I'm just changing the Gemini API key and realising we have to install some stuff, but that's fine, we don't even have to know about it. Literally, you just let OpenClaw go away and it's going to do its thing itself. Now don't worry, I'm going to delete this API key like you should too. Never share it with people. But yeah, we can see here that it's gone away and it's creating and sorting out its own environment. And that's the benefit of having OpenClaw set up like this, is not only now do you have an AI that can install packages and stuff, but you don't need to deal with anything. No terminal, no nothing. It's literally a chat interface. And it can literally even be a simple Telegram interface, just like this one. Right, boom, there we go. So, it's created now my infographic here, now that it's all set up. Amazing. Literally just from a prompt. And all we have to say if we want to like amend it is say something like, you know, update to use this logo. And then all we have to do now is say go here to Google and we'll look up OpenClaw images. Let me just drag that one over. Update to use this logo. And now it will go away and it will just know by default to go and use Nano Banana Pro to do that. It's crazy. So imagine none of the rest of it was here. It's just you having a conversation with your AI agent who can make images, control stuff. It's amazing. And by the way, if you want to reflect the current chat on here to have that, just go over here, click this reload button, and then it will bring you up to speed. But there you go, here's our updated one with OpenClaw at the top. Boom. Nice little infographic there. So next let's talk about cron jobs. Basically cron jobs are just scheduled stuff that runs. You can come in here and see more about them, but just from chat directly or from Telegram, all we have to do is say something like this. Every morning I want an AI news briefing, and whatever the top kind of story of the day is, turn that into an infographic and send all this directly to my email address, hello@lookjburn.com. Boom, send that in. And so now it's going to go away and set up these scheduled jobs to use this skill set. And now if you wanted a specific skill, like a daily news briefing skill, you can go and obviously try and find one, or you can make your own just by chatting back and forth to it. So whilst he's away working, inside of skills here in MyClaw, something cool if you want to go and view some more. So you can see we have essentials featured, discovered and installed, and you can see them here. But something cool that we can do is we can see the source. So the source is on ClawHub. ClawHub is the essential place for all of your skills for OpenClaw, or even for Claude Code. And inside here you can go and search for all different variety of ones. How to use Slack, Trello, how to search stuff on Twitter/X, how to improve your agent automatically, use Obsidian, etc, etc. So a bunch of stuff, even make Word documents. So you can come on here and find them, and literally all you have to do is either search them inside of here, or you can just tell your agent all about them. So just come here to chat, and you can literally just like copy one here, and then you can come and paste it in and say, you know, do this. It's so simple. So there we go. Let's check this one out here. There's a bundled email skill. There we go. It's found its own skill. No email is configured though. What you need: time, email sending. There we go. Once the email is sorted, I'll wire up that daily. So I was going to set up my Google, but actually, you know what? Never mind. Just send it directly to me on Telegram. Because why would I check my emails when I can just check my messages? There we go. So it's set up. Every morning it will search for the day's top news, write concise stuff, generate an infographic, send both to you on Telegram. Send a test one now, no infographic. So it'll go away now and do that search for me. And in the meantime, if we come here, we can see the cron jobs we have. So it's enabled. We have one job next week, Monday. So that's tomorrow at 7 AM in 20 hours. And we can see down here, we have our AI news briefing. So here's the prompts that it's supposed to do, blah, blah, blah. And then we can see the run history down here as well. Right, there we go. So, holy moly. Anthropic's Claude Mythos leaked a tier above Opus. Ho ho! I had no idea about that. And there you go. So we can get this sent to us every single morning. And if you don't like stuff, like for example here, it's trying to render this in basically HTML and it has M dashes, you can literally just say standardize your designs. It seems to be using M dashes. We don't like M dashes. Do it like headline and then next line is like the TLDR. And also it's pulling through these kind of angle bracket B, angle bracket like bolding things. So I think it's pulling through HTML. So fix that too. And then we can send this away now and it will standardize this template so that every morning we get a much better one. And think of the possibilities. You could hook this up so that this actually posts as a newsletter to all your subscribers. Possibilities are endless. Now an interesting skill we can actually check out here, for example, Agent Browser. Now what Agent Browser does essentially is it snapshots images and then you can see what MyClaw has actually been browsing. So let's install this one here. Click install. Cool, and so for this one, what we're going to say is, send me a screenshot of my SAS scripty.ai. And so now we can see the landing page, because I'm always getting Claude Code and OpenClaw to make amendments to my application. And sometimes I don't know exactly what they're doing. So, we send this in, and we will see how it works. So here in Telegram, because we're going back and forth here, to get the live chat back here, all we have to do is refresh. And we'll see the latest. So it's installed with its own Chrome. Let's take it for a spin. So let's just wait now in Telegram and see what it brings back. And a quick side note is for your environment variables, so like if you're adding API keys, come down to here to config and add them in here. Or honestly, see for all of this stuff, just ask OpenClaw and it will tell you. Because you can do the same for authentication. Because this is going to be browsing the web, you could get it to log in as you and use the actual site. And again, you can come and add this in here manually if you want, or you can simply ask OpenClaw in the chat to do it for you. And so in the meantime, I've been getting it to use the agent browser here to give me some information. Here's our recent videos, which are accurate, so we could ask for some updates on here. And then here's our Telegram. It has sent me a screenshot like this, which must just be the way that it tries to pull the data. I think because it's such a JavaScript heavy website. But that's fine, we can just go back and forth here and say change this, add this, etc. So there you go, that's how simple it is to use agents. You can have OpenClaw AI running 24/7, completely easily accessible by Telegram. And the simplest way to do it is by one click inside of MyClaw. Check them out in the description below, it'll be the first link, and I'll see you in the next video.